In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create architectural sketches in Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini. You can use the web interface or the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're on the main chat screen, you're ready to guide the model toward the kind of architectural concept you want. Keep your goal in mind before you type anything. Now enter your prompt. A clear prompt saves time later. Start with the project's intent, what you're designing, who it's for, and any constraints like size, climate, or context. You don't need paragraphs. One or two sentences that set the scene are enough to give Gemini direction. Ask Gemini to create an architectural sketch. This is where specificity pays off. State the building type, for example, a house, a villa, a skyscraper, a cafe, or a museum. Choose a sketch style like hand-drawn pencil, ink line art, watercolor, or a loose concept sketch. Indicate the viewpoint, such as front elevation, a three-quarter perspective, a bird's eye view, or an interior scene. Mention the architectural style you want, modern, minimalist, classical, or brutalist, to anchor the language and mood of the drawing. If you plan to model the result later, also ask Gemini to include KD or modeling instructions rather than requesting a downloadable file. A sample prompt could be, create a hand-drawn pencil concept sketch of a minimalist cafe, three-quarter perspective, with warm wood, concrete, and generous glazing. Add brief steps for rebuilding this in SketchUp. Generate the sketch or description. Let Gemini produce the image, or if image generation isn't available in your region or plan, a rich textual description. Either way, review what you get and compare it to your intent. If the proportions or style aren't quite right, tweak your prompt with clearer adjectives, adjust the viewpoint, or swap the sketch style and generate again. Finally, refine or recreate the design in AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, or Blender. Bring the sketch or description into your chosen tool as a reference. Block out major masses first, then set a reliable scale, align axes, and keep walls, floors, and glazing on organized layers. Use the instructions Gemini provided to map out key dimensions, profiles, and materials, and don't hesitate to iterate. Small prompt refinements often translate to cleaner geometry. When you're satisfied with the core form, you can add detail like mullions, lighting, and entourage to match the original sketch's intent. That's the full workflow, from prompt to sketch to 3D refinement. Take your time to iterate and use each revision to clarify massing, light, and circulation until the concept reads clearly.